We get the fenders. That's the centre. Yeah. If you hold it, look good. Okay.
A few times around.
Yeah, I see.
So we need to be pointed into the wind. If you can work that out a bit. Aim that way.
Okay.
Yeah, to the cliff. That'll do.
116.
Course, it's the compass course.
Oh, yeah.
And then when we get a little gust like this, we can just ease it a bit. And that little line there is the centre. So you never keep it right on the centre, but it just gives you an idea of where you are. And these are quite high cliffs, so it's changing, it's running over us, the wind, and it will be more constant out there, but here it's dropping from the cliffs, so sometimes it's coming from that way, sometimes from that, sometimes a little bit more of a gust like now. Pointed into the wind to get the sail up, point into the wind to drop it. That's the job.
How do I express myself? This is the sailing journey. Is I never tried it before. Yeah, in my life. Yeah, and also it's I don't believe it's so easy. And then he can tell me he has so confident to me to do that. Yeah, it's fantastic. Yeah. A teamwork to how to cooperate in the boat. Yeah, so I have a chance to practice my English also, so I have some improvement in speaking English. Yeah, and also we have a tea time in the boat.